What's up, gang? Welcome back to Pretty Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business. It's your girl Jeanina here, and I am back with another video for you guys. And in today's video, we're talking makeup, but not just any makeup, you guys. We are talking minimalistic, simplistic beauty. Now, Merit was kind enough to send me pretty much their entire collection of makeup products to review for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, you guys, so Merit is a woman-owned brand that focuses on minimalistic makeup. They just recently migrated into Sephora. They're considered one of Sephora's clean makeup brands, and I absolutely love the concept behind this brand. They focus completely on minimalistic, simplistic makeup, which I have been wearing a lot lately. That is your no makeup looks. You guys know that I am so good for that. Merit pretty much sent me their entire collection, and it came in a really nice corduroy bag, you guys, with a tie design. I just think it's so posh. It's just so luxurious. And you can also reuse this bag as like a makeup bag or even like a statement bag. I just thought that was just so nice. Now, you guys know that I'm a sucker for packaging, especially anything that's considered posh or luxury. I'm one of those girls, okay? So if you guys wanted to see an in-depth unboxing of the products and the bag, you can head over to my Instagram. I did do a reel of that. Anyway, girl, I'm so excited. Let's get into these products. For primer today, I'm going with my Bobbi Brown Face Base. Now, the first thing we have is a complexion product, and this is the Minimalistic Perfecting Complexion Stick, you guys. I just love the packaging. I love the color. It even has like the emblem here. Now, Merit describes this as not a foundation or a concealer, but it will definitely replace both, okay? That's what it's described as. It also has daffodil extract that is supposed to help with dark spots. This complexion stick is also described as lightweight and buildable, and I am in the shade Amber. I just love how the stick looks. Like, look at the gold hardware and the details, and this is also, obviously, you can advance and retract the product. Now, for all my girls who don't like fragrance, it doesn't have a fragrance at all that I can smell. It just smells kind of like, I don't know, like makeup, okay? This is the color Amber on me, and it does look like it's going to be a pretty good match. So we're just going to apply it just a little bit on the areas I feel like where I need coverage. Oh, and it feels very lightweight and very creamy and very emollient. To blend that out, we're going to use Merit's foundation brush, which is called brush number 1. As you can see, it is an angled brush. It looks like a natural hair brush because of the white hairs, and it's also very dense, and I think that's going to be really good for this type of foundation. Oh, and look at that. It is blending out so beautifully. Now, you guys know that I have flawed skin. I have hyperpigmentation and acne. Currently, right now, I feel like my skin is actually doing pretty good. However, you guys know that I do need a little bit of coverage. Even when I do my no makeup looks, I like to have kind of, I wouldn't say heavy coverage, but I definitely need some type of coverage in order to hide the flaws. So it is doing just that, okay? I'm gonna use a little bit more on some more of the problem areas, which would be here where I have some of the hyperpigmentation, as well as my cheeks. And it's definitely buildable. You can definitely build it up. It doesn't feel like it can become cakey or anything at any time. It's very lightweight, you guys. Like I can't feel anything on my face at all. Very lightweight. And this brush is actually amazing. The color is actually a really good match as well. So for the finish, I feel like it's definitely giving me a natural finish. Very skin-like and very beautiful. Wow. It definitely feels like my skin is like peeking through within. Okay, so I am definitely loving that coverage, honey. Merit did not send me a concealer, so I am going to use my Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye in the color Peach. I love using this for the no makeup looks or for like my minimalistic looks. Just a drop like does the trick, and it really does like brighten up my under eye where I need a little bit of brightness. So now that I've woken up my eyes, I'm going to use my setting powder, and I'm just going to use a little bit of setting powder. I feel like that's the trick when it comes to a no makeup look. You just want to use the tiniest amount of setting powder just to kind of set your eye and just kind of like enhance that brightness a little bit. So I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal powder, and like I said, I'm going in with it and I'm just tapping the excess off because I just want to use a teensy bit, just enough to set my under eye and enhance just a little bit of brightness underneath there. I'm also gonna set the top of my eyelids. Even though I feel like my skin has been dry because of the cold weather, I still like to set my eyelids because I don't know, I might put a little bit of eyeshadow on. Just a little bit to just kind of outline the shadows of my face. For contour, I'm using another minimalistic complexion stick from Merit, and this is in the color Cacao. And that's how that color looks there. It looks like a pretty good color. Let's see. Yeah, okay. It's giving a slight red, but also cool undertone. Perfect for a slight contour. And it's blending out like a dream. It's actually blending out really, really good. I'm gonna contour my nose just a little bit. Now I'm gonna set my contour a little bit with the Huda Beauty Glowish bronzer in the color Deep Tan. I'm also gonna kind of use that and put that in the crease of my eye, just to give me a little bit more of like a definition. And that'll be like the eyeshadow part. So we're getting into Merit's Flush Balm Cheek Color, and this is in the color Beverly Hills. Do a little swatch for you guys. That's how the color Beverly Hills looks on me. Now obviously it is a cream blush that's supposed to tint and melt into your skin. Now I'm going to use my finger just to kind of place it, because I feel like with cream blush it's a little easier to use your finger to kind of melt the product, and that way you can kind of place it on your skin where you want it to be. And as you can see, it's very, very subtle, the color. And I'm going to use a brush to just kind of buff it in a little bit. Now it's very, very subtle, little bit more subtler than I would like my blush, but it is supposed to be like a flush of blush. But I can definitely see it's a pretty like pop of pink. Next, we're going to use some mascara by Merit, and it is called the Clean Lash Lengthening Mascara. And look at that packaging, you guys. I'm telling you, like, the packaging, pay attention to the details, honey. The gold hardware, I mean, it's just like, it's so luxury to me. So we're going to go ahead and use this mascara, and that's how the wand looks. And it's supposed to just tint and lengthen your lashes, and that's definitely something that I need, because I do not have any lashes at all. I feel like my lashes are so puny and little without falsies. So when I do wear a no makeup look, I do look for something that's like strengthening most of the time and lengthening. Next, I'm going to set my entire face with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powders, and I'm going to use the darkest one here, and this one is called Radiant Light. And I'm just going to carefully sweep my face, just to kind of dumb down the shine a little bit. But not least, we have a lippy, you guys, by Merit, and it is the shade Slick Lip Oil that will give you a sheer tint of color. So this is in the color Taupe, and I'll swatch it for you guys, and that's how it looks there on me. All right, you guys, so this is my completed look, and I must say I am actually really impressed with all of the products in this collection. I'm super duper impressed at the lip oil. I feel like the tinted lip oil gave me a little bit more pigment than I thought it would, because normally tinted lip oils don't really have enough pigment for me, but this actually gave me quite a bit of pigment on my lips. I'm super happy with that. I do have one more product. They did send me over a highlighter stick in the color Bounce, and this is how it looks there. I'll swatch it for you guys, but I was not feeling highlighter today, so I did not want to apply any, but this is how the color would look on me. It's giving kind of like a frosted rose color. Really pretty and really subtle if you want to go for a highlighted look. If you guys are wondering my final thoughts on Merit Beauty, I will definitely say yes, I do recommend this brand, especially for my minimalistic girls, for my no makeup look girls. This makeup is just really bomb. It looks really good. My complexion looks good. I feel like everything just looks excellent. If you guys wanted to purchase anything from Merit, I do have a link down in the description box below. Don't ever skip out on my description box. It has all the tea for you guys, okay? If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to the channel, girl, and when you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time the gang posts a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.